Hello, my dear friends. Let's start our new story. Fox and Crow. Once upon a time, on a sunny day, a crow saw a piece of cheese. Quickly he went and picked it up with his beak. He flew and sat on a branch of a tree so he could eat his cheese in peace. The fox was watching the crow, and he was thinking of doing something to get the cheese from the crow. He approached the tree that the crow was sitting on and started to brag about the crow. "Wow, what beautiful wings with such nice color you have! Your gorgeous black wings are rare in the world. You have such nice feathers and legs. Too bad that you don't have a nice voice. If you did, you would have been the most beautiful bird in the world." The crow was so proud of all the things the fox had said about him. He wanted to sing, so the fox can hear that he has a nice voice. But as soon as the crow opens his beak, a piece of cheese falls down, and the fox picks it up and runs away. Just then, the crow found out about the fox's trick, but it was too late. The moral: don't trust the flatterers.